Welcome back to Energy and Cleaning and Life Hacks. I have a really cool hanger trick that you are not gonna want to miss, that's gonna help you save space and save you time. And it has everything to do with these soda can tops. Let me know in the comments box below, do you have a ton of these lying around your house from all of your scrumptious favorite drinks, soda, pick your poison? We have a lot of these as well. So what do you do with this? By the way, if you're looking for a really cool hanger trick when it comes to your sweaters, I will link that on screen at the end of this video. So this is what you want to do. You want to take your soda can, pop can, a tab, what do you call it? Soda, pop. And then there's a little piece right here you can see right there. See this part right here? You just want to fold it back. You see, I have done it on this one right here. And then what you're going to do is you're going to loop it around. I like it facing this way rather than facing this way. You see the difference here to here? I just think it looks a little nicer. Now it doesn't matter which end you put around the hanger like this. So I'm doing this one-handed. You're just going to loop it around like so. There we go. Let's hang our first shirt and then I'll show you the trick. Grab your second garment here. This will work best if you have the metal hoops like this one right here. By the way, let me know if you like something. Do you buy 5 of them in different colors? I know, as I'm a weirdo, that's what I do. And then you're gonna go ahead and loop this on in here, and then I will show you what it looks like all together. Rather than having to line your items up side by side, you can hang them just like this in your closet and you will save more space. You can turn it around a little bit like this, readjust it however it fits best for you, and then your clothes are looking amazing. Or if you had a particular outfit that you wanted to pair together and everything's nice and set for you the next day. Let me know if you've tried this before. Just hanging this in here. Ba-bam, my friend, ba-bam. Click this video on screen now if you want to see a really cool sweater hack to help you save space. No, it does not include bottle taps such as this one right here, or YouTube thinks you're going to want to watch this video. Let's see who's right.